Okay. Okay, so now you have your own your user account. So now when you log on to the main page of the Kusal Wikipedia, you now see your username there. Can you see on my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see.
So this is the home page of the Kusal Wikipedia. And so whenever you are coming in, you have to log in. But when you were logging in, if you had checked there's a button that says keep me logged in. If you had checked it, like you checked it, you indicate a hand. So anytime you are coming back with your PC, you don't have to log in again. You always be logging in the machine. So next time you are coming onto this page by clicking on the link, you should always ensure that your username showing here indicates that you are logged in. If you are not logged in, you will see here log in or create account. So now that you are seeing your username, it means that you are logged in. Now, so this is the main page of the Kusa Wikipedia. And but our focus today is to show you how to create an account. When you scroll down, if you see all pages, that means that all pages or all articles that are created under Kusa Wikipedia can be found here. If you click on it, it will show you the list of all the pages that we have. And they are usually arranged in alphabetical order. So, of course, you see the prefixes WP/KUS. Then the title. So WP/KUS is there because we are currently in incubator. When we finally migrate onto the mainstream Wikipedia, you won't see the WP/KUS again. WP as in Wikipedia and then KUS as in Kusal. That's the language code for Kusal. So the rest of the text indicates the title of the article. Like we have WP/KUS/Accra. So the title of the article is Accra. When we finally migrate onto the mainstream Wikipedia, all of them, all the prefixes will be dropped, leaving the titles. And you see that they are arranged in alphabetical order. We have Abdullah Abanga, Accra, Akamvaraga Lydia, Anju, Asiama. You see that they are arranged in alphabetical order. So all these are the articles that we have on the Kusal Wikipedia Incubator as we speak now. By scrolling, you will see all of them. And to read or to contribute to any of them, if you just click on any of them, it should open for you to see what is there. Let's say if you click on Cletus Aboka, yes, you see the article for Cletus Aboka opens like this. You see what we have already done on Cletus Aboka. So that's the article. If you go back to the main page. So if you want to read any of the articles, that is how you can go about it. Now, when you come back to this is the all pages. So you are able to get that by clicking all pages. You can also get to the same page if you click on. So this number is supposed to be the number of articles that we have currently on the Kusal Wikipedia. But of course, there's an issue with this tool. It is not updating on time. Of course, we have more than 74 articles. So if you click on the number also, it will give you all the articles that we have on Wikipedia. I've clicked on it. You see that it has taken me to the same page. And of course, if you count here, there are more than 75 pages. Because they are not yet added. And of course, because we are not adding the categories to the articles. Now, if you want to create your own article, you see below the all pages, and then now this Kusal Wikipedia has 74 articles. And then just above this blue button with the inscription, create page, just above it. you see a horizontal box, text box, with the WP/KUS/ already there. Now, if you just click inside the box, you see that the cursor will start blinking, indicating that you can now type something there. When it was not blinking, as I'm typing, you can hear I'm typing, but nothing is appearing. So you have to place your pointer inside the box and then click. It starts blinking, indicating that you can now type. So if I type anything there, that will be the title of the article I'm creating. I don't know whether you can give me an example. Let me use an example of University of Ghana. So I'm creating an article with the title University of Ghana. Of course, like I keep repeating, this WP/KUS is there because we are still in incubator. When we are finally out of the incubator, when you come here, you won't see it again. You just type the title and you are going. So you click. So this is the title of the article. After typing it, you click on create page. So it will open a page like this. Then you are creating a new page called WP/KUS/University of Ghana. They just want to ensure that the typing or what you really type is showing here. And then all these things. Just creating your awareness that you are creating a new article with this title. And then below that, there's a text box, just similar to the work document that we are all aware of. You have B as in bold, italics, link, foot, all those images and all those things. Below that, just where we have heading, below it, you see a huge space here. That's the text box where you can type whatever you want to type about University of Ghana. And you know, like I mentioned earlier, if you start typing, nothing will appear. You need to click in the box so that the cursor will start blinking, an indication that you can now type. So you can type University of Ghana. So University of Ghana is one of the universities in Ghana, or the first university in Ghana. Of course, you should type this in Kusal. You understand? It's just it's a demo, and I'm unable to type in Kusal. That's why I'm typing it this way. So assuming this is what I know, or this is all that I want to write about University of Ghana for now, that's okay. So University of Ghana is one of the public universities in Ghana. So I scroll down, and then I hit on publish. But before then, you have summary here. If you give a summary of what you have just done. So what did I just do? What did I just do? I created.
You said
I created a new article. So because I've ever typed, I created a new article. The moment I begin typing, you see that it will drop down like this. So I just type on it. But for it being your first time, you need to type it in full. Then I now hit on publish. If you don't publish this, then it will not be added among the articles that we have on Kusa Wikipedia. If I stop here and then leave, close my computer, nothing of this will be shown on the Kusa Wikipedia. Just like you have written a story in your book and you did not publish it. You did not show it to anybody. So you hit on publish. So you see that we now have an article with the title University of Ghana. Then the information inside it is just this. So that is how we create articles. I hope you get it. Hello?
Yes. Yes,
So
I'm trying to do so, but like my page is coming in that way.
you wait. So there's another way of creating articles. This is one way. The other way is
Okay,
that you go to the Kusa homepage or main page.
okay,
Now, instead of
okay,
going straight forward to type the title of the article, it is possible that what I have in mind to
okay,
create, somebody has already created it, or it is already in the list of articles that we have. So you need to find out whether that thing is there or not. You get it?
okay,
So, I
okay.
told you you could go to the all pages to see all the articles that we have. And then, so you could
Yes,
go there to check whether that article is there or not. And of course, you will see that
okay,
the numbers are growing. Assuming in the coming weeks or
okay,
coming months, when you come here, the number will more than this. So it will be difficult for you to strain
okay.
your ass to go through to see whether that
Yes,
article has been created already or not. So
or
there's
not.
an easy way of doing it. Just like any other website, the Wikipedia website has got a page or a button for search, a search button. Kusa Wikipedia also have the search button, a place you can
Okay,
search. So as you can see, here, search with incubator. So you tap there and then type, let's assume I wanted to create an article for,
okay,
let's say, Boku. So I type it there and then click on search. Uh-huh.
okay,
So you can see from this box, what can you see there?
okay.
There is
Yeah, there is a name.
this.
This
Uh-huh,
puts
uh-huh,
Boku on
uh-huh,
Wikimedia Incubator.
uh-huh. So that means,
See also that other. Mhm.
so they are telling us that an
Yes,
article is already created in our incubator and the title is Boku. Of course, I already explained
okay,
that the WP is like KUS. It's there automatically because we
okay,
are still in incubator. So this is just telling you that
okay,
an article already exists with the name Boku.
okay,
So there's no need for you
okay,
to create it again. Also, they are saying that see also the
okay,
other search results found. And they also give you any other article that have the word Boku or the name Boku inside it. Like you have Boku Senior High. Okay.
okay,
Or
okay.
any other article where Boku is mentioned inside it. You see, this article is Mahama Yarga, but inside it, Boku is mentioned. We also have this article, Michael Awimbla. Inside it somewhere, Boku is mentioned. Then we have this one also.
Okay.
What was that? Kekasio. Okay. And then that's the name of a place, eh?
Kekasigu.
Okay. So Boku is mentioned. So everywhere, every article that Boku is mentioned, it will pop it out. But
Okay,
this particular article is the one that is having, that is the one that we intended to create, but it's already there. You just see that it's just WP/KUS Boku. If you click on it, it will open that particular article. Or you could also click here.
okay,
Now,
okay,
so clicking on it, it opens that article somebody has already created. You see that
okay.
there's scanty information there.
Yes,
Okay. So, but we wanted to create an article for Boku, but we search and we
okay.
are told that it is already there. So there's no need for us to create it again. If you create it, we're having two articles bearing the same name, which is not allowed in media.
The same name.
Yeah, which is
Okay,
not proper at all.
okay,
So that's the essence of creating before. Now let's look at what else can we create as an example. I want us to search something that is not yet in our incubator.
okay. So I don't know.
Let me see
I don't know
another
whether
university.
I don't know.
It's
Mama,
already there.
like
It's already there. It's not there. University of Science and Technology. So when you are searching University of Science and Technology, you either click the search button or you click down here.
okay.
Either of them takes you to the search results. What can you see?
Okay.
Here, the first box here, what do you see?
You you search for University of Science and Technology. You can create a page in your wiki at this University of Science and Tech.
That one is even Kwame
You
Nkrumah
can hear
University
me?
of Science and Technology. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it right. Yeah,
Yeah.
University. So when we have to be very mindful of spelling here. What you are searching for might be there already, but because of spelling mistakes, it will tell you that it is not there. So assuming I was searching for Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, which is already in our list of articles, but because we do not add Kwame, we just did University of Science and Technology. We might have been told that it's not there in our incubator. Meanwhile, it's there. But let's search and see. So we have
search for Kwame Nkrumah. You search
University.
for Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Tech. You can create a page in your key at this is Kwame Nkrumah.
So you observe that when we search for Boku, what did you observe the color of the Boku when it was here?
It was green.
It was like blue. But now you see
blue,
that it is red. Yeah.
Yes,
So usually on the Wikipedia platform, whenever you see a link that is red, it means that that page has not yet been created. And it is also telling you that if you click on that red link, it will give you an opportunity to create content on that particular title. So they are telling us that we search for this and that we can create a page in our wiki, that's our Kusa wiki, with this title.
Yes.
WP/KUS/Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Again, when you look down, any page that is, any article that's already on Wikipedia platform, Kusa Wikipedia, where Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is mentioned anywhere, all of them will pop down here. So here, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is mentioned, but it is not the title of that particular article. It means that it was only mentioned in an article with the title Vincent Opong Asamoah.
Yes.
But we're looking for where the title of that particular article is Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And that is not in existence. It is not there. That is why we have it as a red link here. So by clicking on the red link, I always prefer to open in a new tab. It's opening here. When you click on that red link, it will tell us that we are creating this article, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And we have a notification here that you are creating a new page called Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, of course, with the prefix WP/KUS. Just like when we're creating a new article for the first method, you see that we have a text box under here. When you click on it, the cursor starts blinking. Then you can now type what is there. So let's see. Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology is one of the public universities in Ghana, right? Then
Yeah.
we'll go down to publish. But before you publish, you tell us what you have done. This one is important because
Okay.
other contributors will know what you have done when you visited here.
Okay.
We also have people who are
So that
patrolling.
would be the title.
Where? Here.
Yes.
No, you have already, the title is at the top here.
Yes. Okay. So like
So
you mentioned new article.
so you say that I created a new article. That's what you have done. I created a new article, or just say created a new article. Because you have been doing that, you see that it is popping up here. So I don't have to type it, I just click here. Then then you can watch this page. It's like this. So you can check it. What this page means that whoever comes to do anything on this particular page, I'll be given a notification. I'll be notified that somebody has done this to this particular article. Then now I hit on publish. So that is it. So we have created, so this is how we create articles. Yes. So I think it's understood.
Yes.
So this is what we did when we went for the workshops at Zebilla, Garu, and then and most of our colleagues, this is where they are. So I would wish that okay. So now I don't know whether you can take more. Usually when I get here, I just stop so that you practice on your own. Then before I add any other thing.
God willing.
So okay. So this is creating an article. So the thing is that you can create an article, then later on you come and edit on it. As you can see, there are scanty information on this site that I created, and articles that we have created. You can come back to add more content there, or somebody else can come to add content there. Yeah. You wanted to say something?
Like they said you can edit like something on your this and pick it and come and drop it there.
So here, instead of typing the one I got here, what other people like doing is they will type it somewhere on their Word document or on their phone, so that when you get here, you just copy it and come and paste. Okay. So so assuming later on you want to add information here or you want to do something. So as it is like this, you can't do anything. You can't type, you can't do anything unless you are in the reading mode. So you see that reading is underlined and it's even black. So unless you go to the edit mode. So you click on edit. So you see that the cursor is now blinking here. So wherever the cursor is blinking, what you type will reflect. So you saw that somebody could open this page and you see that there are some mistakes like the spelling of Ghana. So I can come and correct it. I add A and I didn't add full stop. Add full stop. You see that before I added A, the publish button was not active. And the moment I added something, it's now active. Then I make here also capped. So I can just publish this. So now the edit summary, you see how it now appears. So what did I do? I can say I corrected spelling. That's the edit sound like that. That's what I've done. Then I now hit on publish. So you see
What
that.
of if not spellings? If not spellings to add something different. Then say what?
So you say I added information or I added text. That one, the way you put it, any way you put it, so that it will communicate to any other person, especially the administrators, so that they will know that Akudugu visited this page and this is what he did. There are people monitoring the pages. So this is one way you can edit. Another way you can edit is when you click on the edit, before you can do anything, you click on edit. Usually, when the title of the article is mentioned for the first time in the article, we usually make it bold. Now, how do we make it bold? The title of the article is Crime Improvement University of Science and Technology. So the first time it is mentioned, we highlight it. You highlight it or you select it. Then you come and click on A. So we have bold, that's like in Word, we have bold, italic, and underline. They're all here. When you click on more, you see more of them. You see underline. You have capital, big and small, and all those. But what we're interested now is the bold. So you click on bold. And then you see that you can publish. When you publish, it will now appear in bold. What did I do? I can just say bold what? Text. So it says now how it now appears. So it's another editing that you can call a formatting text. So if that
for the first time you need to bold the heading.
Yes. Okay. Let me see. Let me open the let me open a page and see. Somebody created an article. I will win. Isaac. He created this one.
Yeah, that's my colleague.
So you see how he did it beautifully. The first time the title is mentioned, Helen Adjuan Toso, he made it bold. So when you look at this article, you see that we have is it headings? Okay, so you see that this work is published, is organized into we call it sections. Sections. Like what we understand as headings or subheadings. This one is what?
Subheadings.
This one, what is it talking about?
That is Vosum Sanga. Vosum Sanga Nesa Kuriela.
What is that? What does it?
Time. Hey, sorry, Vosum Sanga. That is his life, the person's lifetime. The person's lifetime.
Yeah, it's like background.
About the person.
Thank you.
The person.
About the person, right?
Lifetime.
Okay.
Yeah, lifetime.
Or background of the person and all this. Then we have here Otuma, like work,
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I'm seeing that he's not doing the sections very well.
That's the best way. Yeah.
Okay. No, this one is not well done. I have to notify him. The sections are not done very well.
Okay.
There you go. But what I wanted you to understand is the article is usually arranged into headings. We call it sections.
Okay.
Sections. We call it sections.
I think I will find time to meet him.
He said he's in
I will meet him.
is it Ajumaku or Winneba?
Yes, I'm with him there.
I thought you said you were in Accra.
Yes, but I'm doing the service in their school.
Oh, okay, okay. So you see Mahama Yerge's article in Dagbani. You see the bullet
Yeah,
I was talking about here.
yeah,
Then
yeah.
this these are the sections, the
Oh,
headings. Opili, that's the background.
yes,
Oshukuru some the education life. Then we have
yes,
Tuma, like his profession or his
yeah.
works.
His work,
Then
his
Siasa
profession.
Tuma, that's politics.
Yeah.
So that's what we call sections. And even when you see here
Okay.
under Siasa Tuma,
Mm,
you see there are subheadings under it. You see,
yes.
Tuma, there were no subheadings under it. But when you come here, this is the major section.
Yeah.
Then we have subsections under it. So
That
I want
is
to look at how to add them
okay.
on the Kwame Nkrumah article.
Okay.
So assuming after so to add it, as usual, you click on edit,
The edit.
and then you create a space. Now,
Okay.
background, how do you say background? Okay, let me do it in English. So let me,
Background.
like how it started,
Background.
like the history or something. So I want to make this
Labakoda.
a heading or a section.
Okay.
So I type it, then
Okay.
I come to paragraph. Then you click on, I want to make it a heading. I click on heading.
Heading.
You see that it's underlined and it's making it stand out. So
Yes.
when you press on enter, you can type about the background. You get it.
So
You can
all those
say,
words are under
yeah, like when you are writing notes
under
and
the
you do a section or a heading,
yeah.
whatever you're writing will come
Yes,
under
sir.
it. So let's
Okay.
say it was established in something like this. Then
Okay.
I publish. So this is how we add sections. So what did I do? I added a section. Then I publish.
Okay. Oh,
So
okay.
that's it.
Okay.
You can add another section.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
to add another section, let's see, what again can we see under Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology? Maybe,
You
let's
can
see,
talk. This one we can the
programs run. Oh,
yes.
mm-hmm.
Yes, programs.
Okay.
Can talk about programs.
Now, that was one way of doing section. Another way is you create the section before you bring the text. So you bring the cursor to where you want to create the section, click on paragraph, then hit on heading. Hello?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Oh, I can hear you clearly.
So, the first one, we type the text before we added the section. So another
Yes.
way is you create the section heading, then
Okay.
you now type the text. When you press enter, it will move.
Oh, okay.
So let's
Okay.
see the university run the following programs. Then
Okay.
you publish. What did I do?
Okay.
I added
You
added a section.
section. Okay.
And then I published. So that's it. Now, one thing
Okay.
that is very important is that every article, even if you are not able to divide it into sections at all, there's one particular section that is very, very, very important. And it normally comes as the last section to be created. And before then, you see that as I've created the sections, instead of going way up there to click on edit before I edit, you see that we have edit under every section.
Edit that place. Yes.
So you can always click there to edit instead of going up there. Now,
Okay. If
assuming,
only you need to edit the only section.
Yes.
It's
No,
only
it
that section.
activates editing mode for the whole article, but it will take you straight to that particular section instead of you scrolling to that place. Then so the important section that I was telling you that every article must have it. That's why I was asking on our page, how do we see reference? And we're having a debate all over. All over.
A lot of things. It's very easy. I saw them.
Okay, so
the fact is that we need to use one.
So let's say like this.
One Vance is
the end should come.
The other end is what? No. It's only one. It's only one.
It's like they were all of them were mentioning 2
No, only one.
Okay. So I want to make
They
this
were mentioning 2.
All of them.
Yeah.
The argument was whether
no,
the end should come or not.
It's the end. The end is not there. It's the end that is not there.
The end is not. Some were saying it should be there.
Not there.
Okay, like this.
Not supposed.
Okay. So you know the first one, I typed the text, then I highlighted it, then I went and clicked on heading, then I clicked on because it's already a section. The first method, I highlighted a text, then I went and clicked on paragraph, then I click on heading. Is that not it?
Yes.
Yes. The second method, I did not type the text. I went and added the heading before typing it.
Heading before type.
Then another method is after typing the text, I will not highlight it. I will not highlight it. I just let the cursor be at the end of the text.
Highlight it.
The cursor is just at the end of the text. You go and click on paragraph, then click on heading. It will make it.
Okay. So that is 3 ways of.
That's it.
Yeah.
So then you go and publish. Whatever you do, if you don't publish,
yes.
It will not reflect.
Okay.
I added a section.
Yes.
Then publish.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So I think for the purpose of the fact that this is new to you, I should not add too much on you. I will encourage you to I will encourage you to practice this. Then we'll continue again after that.
Okay.
But just to draw your attention,